Hi, welcome back to Debra Lynn Bel Canto. So today what we're going to do is a little exercise associated with the forward lift, but we're going to do it from the internal focus point, the hook of the hard palate. So just as a reminder, the forward lift, if you remember from our previous video, is where we have engaged and lifted the cheek muscles up off the gum line by about 1/4 of an inch. It's not a big deal, but it's definitely feeling like I'm hooking them into that cheekbone and maintaining the engagement of musculature here. This is helping us open up our nasal resonators, stabilizing what we're going to call the primary amplification portion of your internal instrument in your head. So, as we go inside the body, in relationship to this lift, we come to that hook of the hard palate. Now, we're going to focus, as we are on the little map, right onto that teeny tiny target, all right? We're going to do a little exercise I call the knee, nay, new exercise together. So I'll demonstrate a pattern, and then I'm going to come back down, and guys, you're going to take the octave down when we start. So it's a 5-tone exercise, and I'll demonstrate one pattern. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Now, the entire time, my attention is to sort of that point where that N hits the hard palate and ricochets backwards. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. All right? All right, so now let's take it down one pattern. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Now, keep in mind, for women, this is starting on an F sharp. This is the lower part of our natural chest voice for most gals. Some of us get a little bit lucky, we can keep taking it down lower, or once you've done bel canto for a while, you actually will develop that part of your voice. Always with a modicum of understanding that our body mechanics need to maintain their stability while we're singing. So let's do a run of this particular exercise together. Guys, you're down the octave. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. And then up a half. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. And then up a half. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. And you can start to feel a little more intensity as you're in this second passaggio. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. And we're going to do one more. Knee, 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 nay, 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 new, 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 new. Okay, and the top there was an F. Now, with the bel canto, essentially the consciousness is that we're keeping everything quite even as we do the exercise. There's no lunging, which may want to occur initially when you start. Nee, 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 and kind of pushing at it. So we're going for a more sort of horizontal, even approach to every single note. One of the things that we'll start to discover with this work is that the more we get used to that kind of stability in the control, the more the vocal folds will stay more even across every note we sing. So for now, just play a little bit with this exercise. You can, if you found it was too high, just drop out whenever you needed to. If you found it was too low, wait to come in until you're in a comfortable part of your range, all right? There's no need to be a hero in this. We want you to be comfortable as you're doing the exercise, keeping your control as much as possible, because the reality is the control is what is teaching you how to manage your instrument. All right, until next time, Nine nu for today. All right, ciao bella.